Hey everybody, let's make it real. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the Southwest Conference of Mayors, which can be found at SWMayors.com. And it consists of 21 communities in the southwest suburban Cook County area. And what they're doing is, you got to remember that these communities, even though they compete against one another, what they want is to make sure that the southwest portion of Cook County runs well, that it's managed well. And so what they do is they get together sort of like in a regional type of government, even though it's not a voting government, but it's really just a working group of people that they want to understand what works in the area and what doesn't work in the area. So they do share, let's say like if you're on committees here, they do share some responsibility with the transportation in our communities, economic development. If it's good for one community, maybe it'll be good for another community. And so what they're trying to do is they're trying to lower the cost of government in these 21 areas. After all, they're all in this together. So what these regional, let's say, governing boards or committees tend to do across the country is that they want to make sure that everything runs efficiently, that if it's good, like I said, if it's good for one community, it would be good for another. But remember, if it doesn't work well in one community, the other communities that are surrounding that particular municipality may suffer as well. So they want to make sure that everybody is successful. And if you want to see who's in this Southwest Conference of Mayors, you just scroll down and you notice everybody from Alsip to the village of Worth is in this regional government or regional committee to discuss what is needed for their municipalities. They also have a relationship with business owners in the area too. They keep you up to date with all of their latest events. And then also the particular links that you find out there, like Metropolitan Mayor's Caucus, the Chicago Metropolitan Agency for Planning, the Civic Federation. They do have discussions, or they do want you to know what's going on in McHenry County. They do not want you to know what's going on in DuPage County, the Metra, the Illinois Tolls Highway Authority. And in fact, they want you to know what's going on with the U.S. Department of Transportation, because you are able to apply for grants from your federal government, and you want to make sure the federal government's looking out for your local communities as well. So remember, if you want to go to this website, it's swmayors.com.